right, Eagle Z crew, buckle up. Get ready to see some incredible heavy transport action, colossal machines, and drivers who can tackle anything. Let's plunge into the untamed realm of super hauling. Come on in and feel the power. Whatever they're moving, the immensity of it is jaw-dropping. This isn't mere transportation. It's an awe-inspiring performance of how humanity pushes the boundaries of size and weight in the logistics sector. A vivid example that with enough engineering prowess and unwavering determination, nothing is too immense to be moved. This is the Caterpillar 375's journey to the coal mine. The 70-kilometer trip took 6 hours, packed with challenges like low bridges and narrow roads. But thanks to seamless coordination and top-notch operating skills, the transport team successfully navigated each obstacle, delivering this heavy beast safely to its destination. I know there's something wrong with that turn. Never drive on the shoulder because it's filled with nails, bolts, and metal debris that can puncture your tires.
No viene carro, ¿ah?
Would you dare to drive, towing an entire crane through a pitch-black 1,000-foot tunnel with impossibly tight turns? The Harbeck team did it, and they nailed it with incredible precision. No challenge seems to be too much for them.
30 de junio del 2021.
The Denise crew is transporting oversized metal structures through Porriño. The roar of their engines echoes through the city, turning a quiet night into an extraordinary adventure. What do you think is the biggest challenge on this journey? Space, time, or patience?
Va a llevar otro camión detrás. Que derrapa. Miércoles 30 de junio del 2021.
Think pulling an excavator out of a hole is as simple as hooking up a cable and hitting the gas? This tractor tried, and the cable snapped like rotten rubber. So what went wrong? Was the cable too old? Was the pulling force too much? Or was the pulling angle off? What's your guess? The Caterpillar D11 bulldozer, one of the most powerful machines ever built, is pulling 3 tractors and a dump truck up a 4-degree incline. It might look easy, but remember the total weight could be hundreds of tons. This test showcases the D11's incredible pulling force, traction, and hydraulic power. You're looking at one of the biggest breakthroughs in the mining industry, autonomous haul trucks. These Caterpillar 793Fs are programmed to work automatically in the Brucutu mine. No drivers needed. Instead, they use 360-degree sensor systems, radar, satellite navigation, and a remote control center. The benefits? Reduced accidents, increased productivity, and significantly better fuel efficiency. A massive interstate move. A Mack tractor is hauling 4 440 U.S. ton generators from Southern California to Clive, Utah. Weighing 760,000 pounds total and oversized at 15 feet 5 inches tall and wide by 43 feet long, this 700-mile journey is an amazing display of heavy transport engineering and logistics. The ice and snow on the road create a very low coefficient of friction. This man's ice sawing action likely aims to create small grooves, increasing traction for the tires. That small action made a big difference, allowing the truck to pass safely and effectively. On their way to the Queensland power plant, two heavy-duty HHA prime movers are undertaking a mission demanding extreme precision and power. Hauling a 68 US ton, 62 ton load that stands 21 feet tall and spans a massive 26 feet wide. It looks like a giant turbo rolling down the road. Sometimes brute force isn't the only solution. When the bulldozer got bogged down, it was the team's ability to accurately assess the situation that ultimately freed it. After clearing the mud and attempting a tow with a rope, luck finally played a part, a gentle but technically proficient recovery. It's like a mountain on the move, weighing up to 750 tons, relocating a Komatsu PC 8000 demands incredibly meticulous preparation and coordination. Just look at that super heavy-duty trailer system. It's built to carry what feels like an entire building. If you liked our video, leave an 8 in the comments. Your support inspires us to create more. Did you guys see that final turn? Looked like the truck was about to tip over. But no, that driver's got incredible skills. Balanced it out just in time, gripped the road like crazy, and then everything was smooth sailing again. Moving a 90-ton machine off a low-bed trailer, that's a slow and deliberate process. Everything has to be done gradually and correctly if you want to avoid any mishaps with that kind of weight.
chino.
Steep inclines are always a nightmare for drivers. At the extreme curve in Altamirano, Chiapas, Mexico, many drivers have met their match. Does anyone know the exact grade of this slope? Just looking at it, you can tell it's no place for inexperienced drivers.
Ahí va a salir, ahí va a salir. ¡Salió!
J. Supor and Sons' 19-axle trailer is a masterpiece of engineering in the heavy haul industry. With a total carrying capacity of up to 500 tons, each axle not only bears weight, but is also independently hydraulically controlled for optimal load distribution. What kind of cargo do you think would have the honor of being transported on such a specialized piece of equipment? Let me know in the comments below. This driver's having trouble with the turn. This is the road from Chilas to Babusar, the toughest road I've ever been on. My advice to you is not to use third gear when going uphill and to avoid braking too much when going downhill. If not, your truck's clutch disc could burn out.
No chance of getting down this corner.
On the narrow roads of Cliviger, pieces of a sustainable future are on the move. These are the blades, the tower sections, symbols of the green transition. Thanks to teams like Scotland Heavy Haulage, clean energy is getting closer to communities. Every meter they travel is a step towards a lower carbon world. £1.9 million. That's the weight of the colossal machine. Mammoet is moving along the roads from South Carolina to North Carolina. This trip isn't just transportation, it's an incredible journey of mechanical might. The king excavator of the open pit coal mine. Just look at its massive arm tearing through layer after layer of coal. This is truly an icon of power and efficiency in the mining industry. Some challenges can't be overcome solo, and this crane is a perfect example. Facing a tight, steep hairpin turn, it took the coordinated effort of 3 machines and 3 drivers at the controls to make a path. In the world of transport, teamwork and precision are the keys to pushing beyond any limits. How long would you guess it takes to move a piece of equipment nearly 330 feet long across 93 miles of European countryside? Hint, it took 20 days, along with 3 years of meticulous preparation. This is the journey of the largest reactor in Lithuania's history to the Mažeikiai refinery. Navigating 8% grades, tight turns, and the enthusiastic cheers of thousands of onlookers at night. If you're fascinated by heavy haulage, this is an epic feat you can't miss. No more heart-stopping moments, no strained engine roars. This excavator is gliding smoothly down the roads like a skilled dancer performing in a vast space. Its effortless movement along the winding paths is a testament to the operator's masterful control. This is Tata Hitachi. It's not just about power, it's about precision too. It's not just digging rock, it's about maintaining balance, hitting the perfect landing angle, and controlling every swing of the bucket. Without careful control of force and digging direction, excavators can slide down slopes at any moment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't miss a beat. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell because here on Mind Rush, the excitement never stops. See you in the next video.